is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for carrot, carrot. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for God, God. H is for hand, hand. I is for ink, ink. J is for juice, juice. K is for king, king. L is for leaf, leaf. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nose, nose. O is for orange, orange. P is for penguin, penguin. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for spider, spider. T is for turtle, U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for watermelon, watermelon. X is for tree, tree. Y is for york, york. Z is for zip, zip. Now we learn ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. 26 letters from A to Z. Now we learn numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,